Good morning, children. Today we learn our mathematics chapter 7, that is fraction. But today we will learn about equivalent fraction. Everyone open your book, page number 77. Children, equivalent means क्या? The same value. Equivalent means the same value. Same value. Okay. देखो sometimes we come cross two or more fraction, they representing the same value. Such fraction are called the equivalent fraction. चलो, how to arrive at the equivalent fraction? Just multiply by the number, multiply the same number both the numerator and the denominator as in the present. देखो, let's know an example. Find out the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. Okay, all of you know, we multiply the same number by the numerator and denominator. Here numerator is 1 by 2. We multiply by is equal to 1 into 2. We multiply 2 into 2. Okay, we multiply the same number by the numerator and denominator. देखो 2 1 jar 2, 2 2 jar 4. Okay, 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. Therefore 2 by 4, 2 by 4. If we multiply the same number, देखो 2, we multiply the numerator by 2 and multiply the denominator by 2. देखो 2 into 2 and 4 into 2 is equal to 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8. Okay, तब देखो next suppose we find out the equivalent of 4 by 8 is equal to we multiply the numerator by 2 and the denominator 8 multiply by 2. Okay, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Okay, देखो 1 by 2 here we can 1 by 2 equivalent or is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to by 4 by 8 is equal to 8 by 16 or 1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 is equivalent to 4 by 8 and 8 by 16. Okay, this is your equivalent fraction. Next we know the comparison of fraction. We compare the fraction. देखो comparison of fraction. Comparison of fraction. Because suppose that two examples, suppose an example 2 by 3 and 2 by 5. Okay, which fraction is greater? How we know? देखो here the if the numerator are same, here देखो numerator is 2. In this fraction also numerator is 2. This is the same. Numerator here, numerator are same, but the denominator are different. Here the denominator is 3 and here the denominator is 5. In this case, if the numerator are same, the less or the then the smaller denominator is the greater. Here the smaller denominator is greater. Now here the smaller denominator is 3. So 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 5. Understood? Suppose next example, suppose 5 by 7 and 5 by 9. Yes, tell me which is greater? All of you know, here the numerator is same, but the denominator is different. If the numerator are same, the less denominator is the greater number. Here 5 by 7 is greater than 5 by 9. Okay, all have understood? If the numerator is the same, then the smaller denominator is the greater number. देखो next if the देखो suppose the numerator is different. Suppose the 7 by this fraction the denominator is 2 and in this fraction the denominator 2. How we compare? In this case the greater numerator is the greater number. If the denominator are same, all are understood? If the denominator are same, then the greater numerator is the greater number. देखो here 7 by 2 is greater than 5 by 2. Okay. The fraction have the same numerator equal to the smaller denominator. The fraction have the same denominator to but the numerator is different. 5 and 7. So 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So the 7 by 2 is greater here. Okay, the next example देखो. Suppose 5 by 3 and 8 by 3. Which is greater? Here 8 by 5 by 3. Here 8 by 3 is greater. Okay. Then ordering up like fraction. देखो. Example 7 by 13, 2 by 13, 1 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13 and 8 by 13. देखो in this case देखो here the denominator are same, that is 30. Okay. In देखो we have to arrange in ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means क्या? We arrange the number with the smaller number to greater number. Okay. Ascending देखो first which number first comes when the denominator are the same, the which is less, the less numerator is the less number. 1 by first what comes 1 by 3, then 2 by 13, next 4 by 13, what comes next 5 by 13, next 7 by 13 and 8 by 13. Okay, it is your ascending order. If we arrange it in descending order means क्या? Descending order means we arrange the number from the greatest number to smaller number. Here the greatest number is 8 by 3, 13. 8 by 13, then 7 by 13, next 5 by 13, 4 by 13, 2 by 13 and 1 by 13. Okay. Here is the greatest number, then it is the smallest number. Okay. It is your ordering of fraction. In this way you have to complete exercise 7.4 in your copy. Then find the fraction of a collection. देखो to find the 1 by 2 of a collection we divide by 2. देखो find the fraction of a collection. Let's see an example. Suppose 1 by 3 of 15. देखो here we divide the 15 into 3 equal parts. If we here we divide the 15 into 3 equal parts. Okay. Okay, here answer is 5. देखो suppose 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. देखो here are the 15 balls. When we divide the 3 equal parts, so if 3 1 2 3 we divide it 3 equal parts, so each group contain, each part contain क्या 5 balls. So 15 divided by 3 we get 5. Suppose 5 out the next example 1 by 2 of 18. Okay, 1 by we divide the 18. Suppose of toffees, 1 by 2 of 18 toffees. देखो we divide the toffees into 2 equal parts and pick out one part. Okay, pick out one part. देखो 18 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, we देखो here is the 18 toffees. Suppose these are the toffees. 18 toffees we divide into 2 equal parts. So each part contain 9 toffees. Okay, each part contain 9. We have to just pick out one part of the whole. One part contain 9. So 1 by 2 of 18. Of 18 is equal to 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Okay. In this way, देखो 1 by 4 of collection. Suppose to find out 1 by 4 of a collection, देखो an example, Sarita was carrying 28 chocolates, of which she dropped 1 by 4. Okay, how many chocolates did she drop? To find out 1 by 4th of the total collection. Okay, 1 by 4th of the total collection 28. Okay, on the dividing, here we divide the 28 into 4 equal parts. Okay, देखो 28 divided by 4. Okay, our result is 7. So 1 by 4 of 28. So 1 by 4 of 28 is 7. She dropped 7 chocolate. Okay, in this way you have to complete page number 7.5 in your book and copy. Then addition and subtraction of like fraction. Yes, addition, like fraction have the same denominator. All of you know the like fraction means क्या? The same denominator. Only the numerator are added. Here, देखो, let's see an example. Suppose 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Here, numerator are here. We take the denominator are same. Only we add the numerator 2 and 3. Is 5 by 8 is the answer here. Okay, देखो, if the denominator are same, we only add the numerator. Example, second example देखो, suppose 11 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Here denominator are same and numerator 11 plus 3 is equal to 14 by 15. Okay, it is your addition of fraction. Suppose the next example देखो 1 by 12 plus 4 by 12. Here 12 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 by 12 is the answer. Okay, it is your addition. In this way we complete the addition. Next, the subtraction of fraction. Subtraction. Suppose देखो example 13 by 9 minus 2 by 9. In this case we also will the denominator remain the same. देखो as these are the like fractions, so the denominator are the same. Here the denominator is 19 and in this fraction also the denominator is 19. Okay, we only the numerator are subtracted. देखो here 19 and denominator 13 minus 2. 13 minus 2 is 11. 11 by 9. Suppose देखो next 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. देखो here denominator is 6 and 5 numerator 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 by 6. Okay. The next suppose next example 6 by 10 minus 4 by 10. Then denominator 0, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 by 10. It is for 2 by 10 answer. It is very easy for everyone. Okay. Then let's see an example. One problem. Children, our example, there are 18 apples in a basket. 18 apples in a if 5 of them are rotten. What is the fraction of the rotten apple? The question is what is the fraction of the rotten apple? Here we write the total number of apples. Solution. First we write the total number of apples is equal to total number of apples is equal to 18. Okay, the number of rotten apple is equal to 5. So, देखो the total number of apples is equal to 18. The number of rotten apples is equal to 5. Our question is what is the fraction of the rotten apples? Okay, here the fraction of so the fraction is here total. We write the total number. The total number is our denominator and the 5 is the numerator. Okay, our fraction is 5 by 18. Next, a box contain exercise 7.7 one number. A box consists of 15 sweets, out of which 7 are chocolates and the remaining are toffees. Okay, what is the fraction of the chocolate? देखो a box consists of 15 sweets. The total number of sweets, we write the total number of sweets. Total number of sweets is equal to 15. Then 7 are the number of chocolates. Number of chocolates are 7. Okay, a box consists of 15 sweets, out of which the 7 are chocolates. Find the remaining toffees. So, what is the fraction of the chocolate? What is the fraction? So, the fraction is, all of you know, we write the total number. Total number is our denominator and 7, the fraction is 7 by 15. Okay. In this way, you have to complete the exercise 7.6 and 7.7 in your copy. Okay, all of you.